improve your English, you want to become a fluent English speaker, and you are trying from 7 to 8 months, but you are not able to speak fluent English. So watch this video. This video is going to help you. Okay. So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Improve with Jyoti. If you want to improve your English, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. By that you will get all notification of upcoming video. Okay, so in this video we are going to know that why we are facing this type problem. How can we prevent this type problem? We are not able to speak fluent English. Okay, so we suppose you are speaking daily and you are speaking till from 7 months or 8 months. You are talking with someone, random person, that is random person, and you are speaking daily. And suppose you are talking like a random conversation, like how are you, what are you doing, what is your qualification, where do you live. This type conversation you are doing on daily basis, so you are not going to be a fluent English speaker. So what you have to do, you have to choose a person. You can choose on any platform, you can talk with some friend. If you have friend, you have to try to talk with a person only, not with others. Only you have to take one person and you have to try to talk with that person on like a topics. Suppose you are watching any videos, you have watched any content, you can discuss with your partner. I listen that you got whatever you got from that video, what did you learn. And if suppose you learned any new vocabulary, so you have to implement that vocabulary in your conversation. By that what will happen, that you will be able to speak new words, you will be able to speak use that new words. Okay, by that you will be soon you will be a fluent English speaker. You are doing this type activities daily. And second point is that you, whenever you speak and word doesn't come in your mind, and by that you are not improving your, you are not becoming fluent. So what can you do that time? So how can you make this habit to using new words? Okay, so what you have to do, whenever you are reading any new books and you are watching any content, you have to watch with subtitle. And you are reading any new like a stories book, so you have, whenever you are getting any new word, try to write down. By that you have to use that word. So if you are using that word, that then you can remember and you can learn new vocabulary. You have to implement that vocabulary in your conversation. You have to analyze that word in make some sentence by using that vocabulary. By that what will happen, you will be able to use new vocabulary. So I also do, whenever I get new word, I implement in my conversation, try to implement. Okay, initially what I do, first I try to make some sentence at home, then I try to speak in my conversation. Directly it is not going to come in your conversation. Okay, first try to make some sentence, and you can take a notebook and write down that sentence and search. You can search some like a sentence, try to search, you can search on AI, try to write that word and get some sentence related to that word. You will understand how to use that word. Okay, so by that you will be able to use that word and you will be able to how to use that word. Okay, so if you want to improve your English, you have to make this habit, then words will come automatically in your mind. If suppose you have taken a word, you have to use that word in your daily conversation. It is not like that you are using only one time and second time it will not come automatically. You have to use, suppose you are making a video, conversation video, at least you have to one word you have to use 5 to 6 times. By that, what will happen? You will be habitual by using of that word. Okay. So, and third point is like you have a problem that what people will think if I am not speaking right and I am making mistakes. So you have to remove this problem from your mind, that people will think that they will make fun of you. You have to improve your English. You have to become a fluent English speaker. So avoid that people, what are they thinking about you, and you have to speak. What will they think? You have to not think. Okay, you have to think that how I am going to improve this language. And fourth point, that how can I make environment I don't have partner. So you have to create environment. Okay, yeah, suppose you don't have any partner, there is a app like a Skype that is totally free. If you want to connect with people, you can connect easily and totally free. That online we can talk with that person, and it is not like you have to choose a topic as well, not like that you are talking like a random conversation. No, you have to talk on topics as well, then your English is going to improve. Okay, so there is, suppose there is suppose you are talking with someone and you have to create environment by there. Suppose you are watching any videos and related to like a cooking, related to news, anything, try to listen in English. So what will happen? The environment will be that you will think that there is an environment of English. You will automatically immerse in this language because you have an environment. You have created environment by yourselves. Okay, so you have to immerse in this language, then you can become a fluent English speaker. And suppose you are thinking that you are doing formality, that I have to learn this language, then you can't be a fluent English speaker. If you want to become a fluent English speaker, you have to immerse in this language, try to speak more and try to become a better English speaker. Okay, then you are going to improve your English. And last point is 5 point is like that. Suppose you are not improving, suppose you have to not get demotivated. You have to not get dejected that I am not improving, that people are thinking, that people are saying that you are not improving, why are you learning. You have to not get demotivated. You have to think that one day I will get success in this language if I am immersing myself in this language. So you have to not think negative, think positive, then you can improve your language, you can improve this language. Okay, so you have to not think that you have to think about success. You have to think that I will be a successful in this language if I am immersing, if I am learning. You have to not care about people, what will they think about you. You have to not think about anyone. You have to think that people will one day will come that I will be a fluent English speaker. People will make not fun of you, they will appreciate you. If you are now you are not able, one day you will be able to speak. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and please comment me which type videos should I make. Okay, bye bye.